Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how you can grab about $96 worth of products next week at CVS for about $12, which is amazing. These deals are going to go from Valentine's Day, the 14th, through the next Saturday, February 20th. So if you're interested in saving some money at CVS and doing some pretty easy coupon deals, definitely stay tuned. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on the video and tuning into the deals with me today. Take a second and hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss out on any easy ways that you can save thousands of dollars each year. There are so many great deals going on next week at CVS. We have diaper deals, hair care deals. We're going to be hitting beauty again a couple times, tons of freebies, you name it. So let's go ahead and dive right in and talk about the coupon inserts we're going to be getting on Sunday. So we're getting two inserts, a Retail Me Not and a Unilever, which is also called Super Saver. So the Retail Me Not, we're getting our Gain coupons, which is awesome. Now keep in mind, not every region gets Retail Me Not in their Sunday paper, and some Retail Me Nots won't include the Gain coupons. That's why I always order my inserts online through BQ. So there's a link below in the description box if you want to do that. She does have the ones with the Gain included on her website that are available now. On Sunday, in my CVS haul video, I'm also going to be announcing the winners of two different giveaways. So both of those videos will be linked below in the description box if you haven't had a chance to check them out and enter. Both of the winners for the facial care and the winner for the beauty products and makeup deals that I'm going to be giving you guys are going to be announced on Sunday. So stay tuned for that. Here is a preview real quick. I got this off of Moolah Savings. A preview of the Super Saver. We're getting Dove coupons, Nexus coupons, Shea Moisture, you name it, tons of amazing coupons, especially the BOGO Axe coupon. That's going to be an amazing coupon to be able to use. Then we have the Retail Me Not with the Gain coupons. Of course, we're getting Garnier Whole Blends coupons as well. So if you want to check out more of the preview and see it a little bit more in detail, just go to moolahsavings.com and that should pull up, or of course you can Google Moolah Savings. That's where I get this preview from. So now let's dive into the deals. You Buy Kotex is going to be buy one, get one half off, and it says all You Buy Kotex. So the cheapest ones are their security liners at $1.79. The second one would be half off. But you're going to grab three of them if you have this 3 off of 3 feminine care CRT. It's quite popular. It pops around quite a bit. So hopefully we get that on Sunday. Or if you got it the previous week, you'll be able to use it the following week. Just make sure you're checking those dates. And reminder, as usual, make sure you're sending your CRTs that you got from the current week to your card if you haven't already printed them out or printed them at the red box. If you don't send them to your card or print them, they will disappear on Sunday or on Saturday at midnight. So you want to make sure that you go on your account and click send to card. That way on Sunday morning, they won't disappear and you'll still get your new CRTs. So final cost for this is going to be $1.47 for three of them, or just 49 cents each, which I think is a great deal for some feminine care. Now we have our deal for spend 20, get a $5 extra buck. There's a lot of different products included, so of course you can mix and match. This is just one deal that I put together. I'll be doing a different scenario on Sunday in my CVS haul video. So if you still have the digital coupons for Pantene and Herbal Essences, this would be a great deal. I've already used my digitals, so you're not getting another digital, so just keep that in mind. So what you can do is grab 3 of the Pantene for $12 and 2 of the Herbal Essences for $12. Then you're going to use the 5 off of 3 Pantene digital coupon. The one from the February PG insert expires on Saturday, so we're not going to be able to use those, unfortunately, next week. Same with the Herbal Essences. You have to use the digital if you haven't already. Then if you have a 4 off of 18 hair care CRT, definitely add that in with this deal. You'll pay you'll pay $11, get back the $5 extra buck, making it $6 for 5 bottles of shampoo, or $1.20 each. And remember, the $24 will track towards CVS Beauty. Anyone who's new to couponing at CVS, when you spend $30 in beauty products, you'll get another $3 beauty buck, which acts just like an extra buck. It's still CVS money, but make sure that on your account, you go to your account, go to Beauty Enthusiast, and opt in for that program. It's not automatic. Tresemme, I'm so excited. There is coupons coming in our Sunday paper. And I have a $6 off of 4 Tresemme CRT that I was hoping I was going to be able to use before it expires. So Tresemme is a limit of 1. It's buy 2, get a $2 extra buck, and we're getting 3 off of 2 coupons. So what I'm going to do is buy 4 of them. That'll bring me to $18. I'm going to use 2 of the 3 off of 2 coupons. Of course, I got to check the limits. Typically, you're able to use 2. Use the 6 off of 4 Tresemme CRT if you have it, and a 4 off of 18 hair care CRT. I'm going to pay $2, get back a $2 extra buck, and a $3 beauty buck. Because remember, we did the spend 20 deal. So if you do that deal, you're at $24. Then you're adding this Tresemme at $18. All of that tracks towards beauty. So that pushes you over the $30 mark. You will get a $3 beauty buck. That makes these completely free and a $3 moneymaker, which is absolutely amazing. Love stocking up on hair care because it counts towards beauty. So definitely a win-win on this deal. Now we have Irish Spring soap. Couple different ways you can do this deal. Honestly, even if you don't have any CRTs, $1.99 for Irish Spring, I personally think is a good deal. This one is a limit of 3. Some accounts also have a 2 off of 6 Irish Spring. So if that's the case, then you would pick up 2, use that 2 off of 6. This scenario, I'm using a 3 off of 12 body wash CRT. So you would need to grab 3 of them to bring you to $11.97. With that CRT, you'll pay $8.97, get back a $6 extra buck because $2 per Irish Spring, making our final cost just 99 cents each. So another great deal there. If you use a 2 off of 6 and you grab 2 of them, it's still going to be 99 cents each. So that's also another good deal. Colgate, there is a deal, and this is a limit of 2. So the deal next week is buy 2, get a $5 extra buck, and they're $3.49 each. So what you're going to do is grab 2 of them. There are printable coupons on the website for 75 cents off of 1. They will be linked below in the description box so you can get them printed. They should be able to work on the varieties included. So you'll pay, using 2 of those, you'll pay $5.48. Get back a $5 extra buck, making it 48 cents for both, or 24 cents each. Those coupons from the website are a limit of 4, so you can use up to 4 coupons in a transaction, and we're only going to need 2 for this. If you want to max out the deal and do it twice, you would grab 4 of them. You can use all 4 coupons. So that would be another great way of doing this deal, especially if you have an oral care CRT. So keep a lookout on Sunday. If you need to adjust your math, definitely do so. Okay, another moneymaker deal. So we are getting a mystery coupon for CoverGirl at the Redbox Coupon Center. Now, couple tidbits on a mystery coupon. A, not everyone is going to get the same one, unfortunately. You're either going to get a dollar value or a spend amount CRT. Fingers crossed, I don't get another 6 off of 20 because I already have that and I would not be able to use both of those in this scenario. So fingers crossed, we at least get like a $3 off coupon. Sometimes it's as much as $5 off. So in this scenario, I just did the math based on it being a $3 CRT. So of course, we'll adjust our math on Sunday and I will let you guys know in my CVS haul what the coupon prints out for me. So what I put together, I want to get up to $20 so I can use the 6 off of 20 CoverGirl CRT that I have. So I'm going to grab a CoverGirl powder at $8.99 and one of the mascaras that's $10.99. That'll bring me to $19.98. We have $2 off coupons in our 131 Smart Source. Using the mystery coupon as well, we would pay $6.98, get back a $6 extra buck, and another $3 beauty buck, making it free and a $2.02 moneymaker, which is amazing. So fingers crossed that mystery coupon is a really good value. Nivea lip care is going to be 2 for $5. And we have a 2 off of 2 coupon from our 131 Smart Source again. That'll make our final cost just $1.50 each. So not a bad deal. I thought that would be something cute to throw in there. Always keep in mind if you're ever putting together any beauty baskets, Mother's Day, of course, it's not necessarily right around the corner, but you can start putting together little deals and grabbing little items here and there to put together a really nice gift basket for your mom. So that's why I wanted to throw this deal in there for you guys and just get you thinking about different products that you can put together. Speed Stick deodorant is going to be buy 2, get a $2 extra buck. This deal is a limit of 1. So what that means is you can only do this deal 1 time for the week on your card. So if you have an account and your husband has a separate account, you can do the deal once and he can do the deal once. So just a heads up on that. I do get that question quite a bit. So you're going to grab 2 of these Speed Stick deodorant. They'll be 2 for $6. We have 50-cent printables that should still be available from the website linked below in the description box for you as well. So definitely get those printed. You'll pay $5, get back a $2 extra buck, making it $1.50 each. Sometimes we'll get $1 off of 2 Speed Stick deodorant CRT or $1 off any deodorant CRT, anything like that. So just check your CRTs that you have this week. See if you have one. You might want to hold it until next week. And we'll check on Sunday again and see what kind of new CRTs we have. Let me know in the comments if you guys are still having issues with your CRTs. I've been seeing a lot more people starting to get their CRTs back and better CRTs. So fingers crossed, they're really starting to work on that issue. I know a lot of you haven't gotten CRTs for a couple weeks, which totally stinks. So hopefully that's getting fixed. But let me know in the comments if you guys are still having issues with that. I'm just kind of curious as to what's going on and what the progress is for that. So don't forget, on Sunday, I will be announcing the winners of those giveaways. If you haven't checked out those videos yet, they will be linked below in the description box, and you can click the video in the top left or the top right. Those are the 2 videos I'm doing different giveaways in. So if you want to enter both of them, you need to enter in both videos. If you guys have any questions or anything, of course, drop a comment below. Let me know. If you enjoy these deals and my must-do deals videos, definitely smash that like button for me. Let me know that you want me to continue doing these videos for you guys. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you next time.